Wagwan, my people. It's DJ Pips. If you're feeling blessed, no matter what, tell me, comment section. All right, this video is gonna be short. If you want to determine the buying or selling power of a trend, okay, of a pair of a currency, this is what you do. Stop playing with your trend lines, okay? They don't work. Don't do what the 99% are doing. You want to stand out. You want to trade like the big firms, okay? You don't want to trade against the big firms because they have the money. There are 33,000 banks in the world. You think you're gonna take them all down? No. This is the highest financial trading market, 6 trillion market a day. Guess who controls the money? The big players. So what you gonna do? Go with them, okay? So to determine if a pair has a higher buying or selling power, just draw. Okay, go into your very very high time frames, okay, and draw the blue lines and the red lines just the way I've drawn them on my screen, from the one point to the other, and you're gonna see, and you're gonna count them, okay. So you can see that I have four blue lines and four red lines. That tells you the currency of this pair, which matches sells more than it buys, but 4 is close to 5. So that says to tell you that this pair has equal buys and sells, but more power in selling. So you want to sell right now. GBP is on a selling trend, okay, which is right here, where the hand is. Should be right here. You see that? So anytime that, all right, let me change the hand too. I'm gonna make it black. See that? Anytime you work in your higher time frame, start working 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Don't do that. Understand how these pairs move, okay? All right. So GBP is on a selling trend. What you want to do is you want to cut these pairs at the very top and very bottom. This pair is gonna sell all the way down. So you really want to sell this pair, GBP. All right, and always stick to your trading ideas and trading beliefs. All right, and don't be shifted by another trader's opinion. Stay to your course. All right. So GBP was on a higher trend and now is actually selling. So what you want to do is you want to sell. But my main focus of this video is to show you how to determine if a pair sells more or it buys more, so you can know if you want to go in for more sells or more buys. So you draw these trend lines. This is the only time I'll suggest you use trend lines, okay? Up, down, up, down, up, down. Count the number of blues, count the number